So what's going on?
I'm tired. I'm tired of giving my all and never being enough. I'm tired of changing for people who don't even recognize my change. I'm tired of crying myself to sleep at night and waking up in the morning and not recognizing myself. I'm tired of not being thin enough or pretty enough. I'm tired of not being enough.
Brenda, I'm proud of you, but I care about you as a person, so I gotta be real with you. You will continue to lose yourself trying to please someone else. You will never be good enough for a person that isn't good enough for you. And understand, there's no amount of